Are you embarrassed by your moles, warts, or skin tags? The first sight of an abnormal skin lesion located on visible parts of your skin can be traumatic, especially if you're a young, attractive, and healthy individual with life still ahead of you. Just imagine what'll happen after you've tried every moles, warts, or skin tag removal product, cream, laser treatment, or freezing method without any results. But you are not alone. The majority of the population has some kind of visible skin mark after the age of 20. Do you want to know how to remove your moles, warts, or skin tags in 3 days easily, naturally, and without surgery? Listen to Charles Davidson, an alternative medical practitioner and natural remedies expert with a specialization in skincare. He chose this profession because he was plagued by moles, warts, and skin tags. What's worse is he had them on the worst place imaginable, his face. That's when he discovered a simple yet effective removal method that changed his life. Introducing the Moles, Warts, and Skin Tags Removal. Moles, Warts, and Skin Tags Removal System is an all-natural, non-surgical system that will help you get rid of these skin deformities without leaving any signs of scarring. It's an alternative to expensive surgery and freezing treatments that are widely used today. Moles, Warts, and Skin Tags Removal will help you free your skin from moles, warts, and skin tags in the privacy of your home. Get permanent results without any side effects. Stop your skin problems at the source. Get a proven treatment that's suitable for all skin types. Over 12,600 people in 75 countries have already used this program successfully this year. 95.1% of our readers walked away satisfied, while only 4.9% have refunded the program. Now let me ask you this. What is having your skin free from moles, warts, and skin tags worth to you? Honestly, we're not even sure how to put a price on something like this. If you opt for surgery, the cost of eliminating moles, warts, and skin tags ranges from $150 to $400. That's up to $400 for a single mole. Today and for the next 100 purchases, we're practically giving moles, warts, and skin tags removal away. Literally, for a one-time investment of $37. Yes, a one-time investment of $37 that could literally change your life instantly and rid your skin of moles, warts, or skin tags forever. Order now and you also get 7 free ebooks on nutrition and healthy living. On top of that, you'll get a no questions asked 100% money-back guarantee, because we're sure you won't regret your decision. Unfortunately, the discounted price of $37 is only available for the next 100 orders. Upon the 101st order, the price will go up to the full price of $97. Act now. You've got nothing to lose except your moles, warts, or skin tags.